Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you Dogecoin Dice, and right now is at 10 o'clock, and I share with you this video because this is one of the best, because after 12 o'clock I share with you how much I earn. I collect the Dice and I collect the Dogecoin in here, okay? And just a change it, the payout is 201 payout available in here. The minimum amount is 1000. I didn't increase. If you want to increase, just click remove one of the zero, okay, with this trick. If you don't want, you just use the minimum amount. Some of you have a 1 Dogecoin or 2 Dogecoin, the minimum amount is 1000 Satoshi. Okay, start beating for right now. Every time I lose, I just click increase it and increase it like this. Every time I lose, I increase the bit, and after I win, I come back to minimum amount, and that's why I use this. And you can see click it a little bit faster, and this will be showing me when I lose. I just going with the win. Okay, it's win again, and you can see win again. It's my internet connection is little bit slow today, because of that I can click much more faster, and you can see my Dogecoin is increasing a little bit. It's not too high amount of winning, but this is the amount you didn't lose your all account with this trick, and you have a win chance every time you click the beat. If you lose, it is not much more to lose you worry about. Okay, you can see my internet connection is very slow today, because of that is reloading the amount. I just reload the page. Okay, you can see. Okay, I just click login. Okay guys, I come back. I just log in my account, and you can see I start beating again, and after 3 hours or 2 hours I come back to show you how much I earn in the 2 hours beating like this. And how is possible to making much more amount with this trick. You can see all of the time I win, it's increasing the beat. And I just pause the video. After 12 o'clock I come back to show you the amount I win. Okay guys, and I can beat for 2 hours. I beat for 24 minutes. Okay, you can see this the Dogecoin I receive, and the first time I came here I have 21 Dogecoin. So right now it's a 23 days Doge, and it's for 20 minutes beating with these, and this is the all beating amount I win lost all of these is this one. And that's my wiggle of total wiggle is in 9,000 BTC. Okay, and if I beat all of the day, maybe I'm be the winner in the contest, but I didn't know for sure. And that's all guys, and thanks for watching guys, and for the next video I will share with you more beat, because right now I have a little bit work to do. Then today is my uploading video. one day I am free, then I beat more time, and then I share with you all of my beats. Okay, bye for now.